Photography I've been doing since last 6-7 years now, but honestly I've taken up to photography on a greater scale since the last 2 years. I was introduced to this beautiful camera by my director of New York, Mr. Kabir Khan, and in New York I did a small course there with him and Asim Mishra, and ever since then I've been clicking, and it's a great camera with some great softwares also. I work on the Capture NX, which is a Nikon software. And I think the machine's beautiful. I love the lenses. So I'm an ardent Nikon user, yeah. I have a D3X and a D300, which I use personally. So today I got the opportunity of launching the D3S now. मेरे ख्याल से कैमरा एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आज हम कह सकते हैं कि जब हम अपने आप में बैठते हैं और हम पूछते हैं अपने आप से, अगर एक मौका मिलता हमें, अगर समय में पीछे हम जा सकते हैं तो क्या वो हो सकता है? वो शायद नहीं हो सकता, मगर कैमरा इंसान ने एक ऐसी इक्विपमेंट, ऐसी एक चीज़ बनाई है जिससे एक तस्वीर को हम टाइम कैप्चर कर सकते हैं एक तस्वीर से, और आज 10 साल बाद भी अगर आप वो मोमेंट रीलिव करना चाहते हैं, बस एक वो तस्वीर देखना होता है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल इन्वेंशन बाय मैन. And it's great to have this machine in your hand. You feel powerful in a way, yeah. I travel a lot, okay. And especially in India, wherever I travel, I like to capture India through my point of view. So what I'm planning right now is to do is that if Nikon permits, then probably next year would like to launch a calendar of photographs that I have clicked. So just let's hope, let's pray for it. To be honest, I am extremely interested in nature. I love nature's photography. Why? Because I constantly have this question mark in my head. Today we interact with so many people that I think somewhere subconsciously we've lost that human touch with human beings. But nature is something that keeps that intrigue factor really high for me. That if it's a butterfly sitting on a petal or something, that how is that that small little thing spreading its wings with so many colors just sitting on that petal, and you go close to it and it flies off. From a small butterfly to even a mountain, is something that really intrigues me of what God's created, See, we interact so much with people. Now we are used to seeing people. So that creation of God is somewhere has just not left that question mark anymore. We've explored human beings so much. But the nature is something that keeps me going, yeah. To be honest, it was a Nikon only. I've always used a Nikon, and but that time it was a small digital camera, and in fact the earlier ones that we had weren't digital, were the ones with the rolls. So ever since then, yeah. But the first camera, the SLR that I got, was a D300. Zindagi khwaab hai, khwaab mein झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, एक कतरा मैं का जब पत्थर के होंठों पर पड़ा, उसके सीने में भी दिल धड़का, ये उसने भी कहा क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है.